Hey guys, it's Matt. It's Bait Fishing. In today's episode, we're post cold front. It's 32 degrees outside. The water temperature is 42, and we are fishing deep drains. Today we're going after big flounder and really big trout in these drains. So what we're going to plan to do is look for drains that are at least 4 feet deep, that'll hold a little bit more warmth, a little mud and shell. See if we can catch some big trout. Alright, let's see if we can get after it. Alright, so we're gonna fish this drain here. We're gonna start with the pink corky. It's cold as hell out here. Corky should be doing good, so we're gonna fish it real slow. We got about 4 feet of water, mud. Coming out this drain, we've got a low tide that's coming out. We're on the bottom third of the tide. So hopefully we can make this happen. Just working it real slow. Yeah, so just throwing down this line here, and you're kind of off this point here. Yeah. And that was at 5 feet of water. Oh, that's a little too far out. Oh well. Oh, got him. That's a good fish. Ah. There we go, come on. Stay pinned, buddy, stay pinned. Come on. Yeah, buddy. Another red. Oh, he's going underneath the boat. Trying to go underneath the boat. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, that's a good one too. Oh yeah. Look at that, 3 dots on it too. Heck yeah, that's a good fish there. Alright, that's gonna be my last cast, man. I still gotta drop off my proposal to the outfitter. Oh. Oh, drag puller. Another redfish. Uh-oh, he barely hooked. Come here, buddy. I got it. Good, you're good. That's number 3 for me. Number 3. Oh, he was barely hooked, buddy. Barely. Number 3. Nice. Alright guys, well, we got the boat loaded up. We're done for the day. I gotta get back to the house and get started on some stuff before I go into work for a couple days. So Today showed the importance of having a secondary plan. Our original plan was to go fish drains, but it was just dead. There wasn't a lot of bait movement. There wasn't really much of anything. So we made a quick change, and we moved to some deeper water next to shallow water. Fished a little drain, and we were able to put a limit of redfish on the boat. Caught 4 today. We didn't get them all on video, but we got a couple on video, and we'll put them on this YouTube. We'll make a short video for you. But it does show the importance of having a plan B and having a plan C. Don't just go out and go fishing. I mean, if you want to be successful, you have to have a plan A, and when plan A doesn't work, go to plan B. If plan B doesn't work, go to plan C. I'm not saying you go all the way to Z, but have a couple of plans. Have a couple of different things that you can do. So, but that's what we did today. It didn't work out originally, and we were able to still get it done. So this shows just the importance of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll tell you this, I enjoyed making it. It was a very, very cold day, and we were able to get it done. And I really, really like that. It makes the whole thing worth it. So again, like this, leave a comment below, tell me what you think, tell me what you would like to see on another episode, and please subscribe to my channel so you can see all our future videos. Alright, as always, Semper Fi.